Swagbucks notifications can stop working when app permissions are disabled, notification settings are changed, or the app is not updating correctly. By the end, you'll know how to check Swagbucks notification settings and fix common problems when alerts are not appearing. Start by checking notification permissions on your device. On Android, open your phone settings, find the Swagbucks app, and make sure notifications are allowed. On iPhone, open Settings, select Notifications, choose Swagbucks, and confirm that alerts are enabled. If notifications are already enabled, check the notification settings inside the Swagbucks app. Some app alerts may depend on your account preferences. Next, update the Swagbucks app from your device's app store. An outdated version can cause features like notifications to work incorrectly. After updating, close the app completely and reopen it. This refreshes the connection between the app and your device. You can also log out of Swagbucks and sign back in. This can refresh your account session and help restore missing alerts. If you recently changed phones or reinstalled the app, review your notification permissions again. New app installations often require notification access to be approved manually. Check your phone's battery and background app settings as well. Some devices limit background activity, which can prevent apps from sending notifications. If notifications still do not appear, test Swagbucks on another device if possible. This helps determine whether the issue is with your account or your phone settings. If the problem continues, contact Swagbucks support through the official help section. Include details about your device, app version, and what notifications are missing. Screenshots of your notification settings and any error messages can help support understand the issue faster. The main fixes are simple. Enable Swagbucks notifications, update the app, refresh your account login, and check your phone settings. Open your device settings first and confirm Swagbucks has permission to send notifications before changing anything else. Subscribe for more Swagbucks guides, reward app fixes, and troubleshooting videos, and like the video if this helped you restore your notifications.